This video is part of a series of videos that guide you through the steps to prepare and paint your pool with LUXAPOOL Epoxy Pool Paint. In this video, we will show you how to test if your pool has an epoxy coating. This is the first step in preparing to repaint your pool that has been previously painted with an epoxy pool paint. Empty your pool and allow to dry. Dampen a rag with acetone and then rub the dry surface for about 30 seconds. As soon as you remove the rag, rub your finger or fingernail over the area. This pool has an epoxy coating and is not affected by this test. If the surface is sticky or tacky, like the back of a post-it note, or a thread of paint is lifted off the surface as you run your fingernail over it, it is not an epoxy and may be a chlorinated rubber coating. Contact ColorMake Industries before proceeding any further.